Hello students, I am Sheetal Bhanushali from Saraswat International Academy. I am teaching Mathematics of Standard 2nd, Chapter number 3, Subtraction, Part 3. Students, today we will learn relationship between addition and subtraction. Let us first learn to find the missing number using subtraction. Let us take an example. 13 plus 7 is equals to 20. Now students, here we have to find a missing number. Students, to find any missing number, we need to subtract the given number from the sum. This is known as the sum. Whenever we are adding numbers, the answer of that numbers is known as its sum. So here 20 is sum. So students, if we want to find this missing number, we need to subtract the number from the sum. So 7 is given here, so we need to subtract 7 from 20 to find the missing number. So 20 minus 7. So 20 minus 7 is equals to 13. Got it, students? What if the second number is missing, students? We will do the same thing. Here we are given 13, right? So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract the given number, that is 13, from the sum, that is 20. Got it, students? So here 20 minus 13. So we have to subtract 13 from 20. So 20 minus 13 is equals to 7. So 13 plus 7 is equals to 20. Got it, students? So to find any missing number, we need to subtract the given number from the sum. Got it, students? So let us learn the addition and subtraction facts of 13 and 7. So students, addition facts for 13 and 7 are 13 plus 7 is equals to 20, and 7 plus 13 is equals to 20. Subtraction facts. 20 minus 7 is equals to 13. 20 minus 13 is equals to 7. Got it, students? So these are the addition and subtraction facts of 13 and 7. Let us take one more example, students. 15 plus 10 is equals to 25. If we are changing the order, the answer will be same, like 10 plus 15 is equals to 25. So students, here the sum is 25. The sum of 10 and 15 is 25. So 25 minus 10 minus 15 is equals to question mark, and 25 minus 10 is equals to question mark. So students, what will be the answer? 25 minus 10 is equals to 15. 25 minus 10 is equals to 15. and 25 minus 15 is equals to 10. 25 minus 15 is equals to 10. So what will be the addition and subtraction fact of 15 and 10? Addition facts will be 15 plus 10 is equals to 25 and 10 plus 15 is equals to 25. And subtraction fact of 15 and 10, 25 minus 15 is equals to 10 and 25 minus 10 is equals to 15. Got it, students? Let us start with our exercise connecting addition and subtraction. Add or subtract complete each family of facts. Students, this first question is already done. Let us see. 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. Here students, these are 12 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The first 5 boxes are colored with blue and remaining white boxes are 7. So 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. So 7 plus 5 is also equals to 12, students. 12 minus 5 is equals to 7 and 12 minus 7 is equals to 5. Got it, students? Second, here how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 circles are there. From that, 7 are colored and 4 are not colored. Got it, students? So 7 plus 4, these 7 and plus these 4, we already counted. It is 11. So what you are going to write here? 11. Got it, students? Now 4 plus dash is equals to 11. 4 plus dash is equals to 11. So students, what we are going to do? 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. That is the sum minus the given number. So these are already 11. If we subtract 4 from 11, how many left, students? 7 are left, right? So here we are going to write 7. So 4 plus 7 is equals to 11. Got it, students? Next is 11 minus 7. So if we subtract 7 from 11, how many left, students? 4. So here you are going to write 4. And 11 minus 4. If we subtract these 4 from 11, how many left? 7. So you are going to write here 7. Got it, students? Next, here how many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 are there, right? How many are colored? 1, 2 and 3. 3 pictures are colored. And how many are not colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 are not colored. So students, 3 plus 9 is equals to 12. This is our first addition fact. 3 plus 9 is equals to 12. So here 3 plus 9, what we are going to write? 12. Now students, what is our second addition fact? 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. Can you see here? Dash plus 3 is equals to 12. How we are going to find it out? The sum minus the given number, that is from 12, this total we have to minus 3. If we take away these 3, how many are left with us? 9. So what are we going to write here? 9. Got it, students? So these two are our addition fact. And what about the subtraction facts? 12 minus 3 is equals to 9, and 12 minus 9 is equals to 3. So 12 minus 3, if we remove these 3, how many left with us? 12 minus these 3. So this much are left. That is 9. So 12 minus 3 is equals to 9. And 12 minus dash is equals to 3. We have to find the missing number, right? So we will subtract 3 from 12. So if we are subtracting 3 from 12, that is from the sum, what is our answer? 9. So we are going to write here 9. So 12 minus 9 is equals to 3. Got it, students? So what are the subtraction and addition facts of 3 and 9? Addition facts are 3 plus 9 is equals to 12 and 9 plus 3 is equals to 12. And what about the subtraction facts? 12 minus 3 is equals to 9 and 12 minus 9 is equals to 3. Got it, students? Next, 8 plus 6 is equals to dash. Students, first count these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Total 14 are there. Got it? How many are colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 are colored, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are not colored. So 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. So this is our first fact, that is 8 plus 6 is equals to 14. Now dash plus 8 is equals to 14. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract the given number from the sum. So 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. So we are going to write here 6. So 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. Then next, 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. And then 14 minus dash is equals to 8. Again here we are going to write 6. Got it, students? So what are the addition and subtraction facts for 8 and 6? So addition facts for 8 and 6 are 8 plus 6 is equals to 14 and 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. Next, what are the subtraction facts? 14 minus 8 is equals to 6 and 14 minus 6 is equals to 8. Got it, students? Next, use the number family and complete. A. 8, 5 and 13 are given. So 8 plus 5 is equals to what, students? 13. So we are going to write here 13. 5 plus 8 is equals to 13, because when the order is changed, the sum is not going to change. So what will be 13 minus 5? 13 minus 5 will be 8. And what will be 13 minus 8? 13 minus 8 will be 5. Easy, students? So these are the addition and subtraction facts of 5 and 8. 8 plus 5 is equals to 13 and 5 plus 8 is equals to 13. These were the addition facts. And 13 minus 5 is equals to 8 and 13 minus 8 is equals to 5. These are subtraction facts. B. 9, 6 and 15 are given. So 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 will be what, students? 15. Dash plus 9 is equals to 15. So 6 plus 9 is equals to 15. 15 minus 9 is equals to dash. 15 minus 9 is equals to 6. 15 minus dash is equals to 9. 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. So addition facts of 9 and 6 are 9 plus 6 is equals to 15 and 6 plus 9 is equals to 15. And the subtraction facts for 9 and 6 are 15 minus 9 is equals to 6 and 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. Got it, students? Now this C you will do by your own. This is your homework. Got it, students?